rhifau. Yn y fideo hwn, dyn ni'n mynd i ddysgu am rhifau. In this video, we are going to learn about numbers. Yn Gymraeg, numbers are followed by a singular noun, not plural as in English. Enghraifft, for example, 2 afal, 2 apples, 3 bachgen, 3 boys, 4 ci, 4 dogs. Dych chi'n cofio, and do you remember, 3 numbers have feminine forms yn Gymraeg? 2, 2 gath, 2 cats. 4, 4 pêl, 3 balls. 4, 4 cadair, 4 chairs. Da iawn. Nawr, let's learn more about numbers and mutations. 1 causes a treiglad meddal to feminine nouns. 1 ferch, 1 girl. 1 gath, 1 cat. 2 always causes a treiglad meddal. 2 fachgen, 2 boys. 2 gi, 2 dogs. 2 also causes a treiglad meddal. 2 ferch, 2 girls. 2 gath, 2 cats. 3 causes a treiglad llais. 3 chi, 3 dogs. 3 thedi, 3 teddies. Tair, however, does not cause any mutation. Does dim treiglad ar ôl 4 neu pedair. And there is no mutation after 4 or pedair. 5 and 6 are shortened to pum and chwe when followed by another number or a noun. 55, 55. 5 cadair, 5 chairs. 62, 62. 6 merch, 6 girls. And chwe also causes a treiglad llais. 6 cheffyl, 6 horses. Iawn. There is a lot to take in this video, so let's recap. Cofiwch, remember, singular nouns are used with numbers yn Gymraeg. Look at this table using ci as the example of a masculine noun and cath as the example of a feminine noun to revise the numbers and mutations. Dywedwch ar fy ôl i. Repeat after me. Un ci. Un gath. Dau gi. Dwy gath. Tri chi. Tair cath. Pedwar ci. Pedair cath. Pum ci. Pum cath. Chwe chi. Chwe chath. Felly, in summary, un causes a treiglad meddal to feminine nouns. Dau and dwy both cause a treiglad meddal. Tri and chwe both cause a treiglad llais. Arbennig wir. Nawr, cwblhewch y gweithgareddau yn yr uned. Cofiwch, dych chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo yma eto I adolygu. Now, complete the activities in the unit. Remember, you can watch this video again if you wish to revise. Pob lwc!